I'm back to tinting. I haven't tinted in like 2 weeks, but I think I still got it. You literally said that yesterday. He literally said that to me last night. I didn't hit it that hard. I just wanted it to stay, you know? But now that it is like it is stuck to the glass for real, I'm gonna hit it again with this, but really, really hard. So, I sound like you. I like it, I love it. It's pretty good.
Here I am. We're working on this front windshield with Brianna here. She's helping me do the rest of the car. Doing most of the work, I'm just doing the windshield. But here we are with the LLumar product.
We are doing the little windows. Takes like literally 2 minutes, so.
Say the quarter window.
Quarter windows, my bad. Quarter windows. I can do these side windows, quarter windows like this. Like I don't even have to go inside because I'm so good, you know? Okay, this is a moment of truth because I can't see. Oh, it looks good. Oh, it looks good. So basically, when you tackle this, and for little windows, this goes for little windows, that you should tackle this first where it says like the Ford and all the writing, because once you tackle that, then like it sticks, everything sticks. So you can like, once you tackle this, right, softly, and then you can do everything else and it just won't move on you. So our shop is a select pro FormulaOne dealer. That's a lot of words, sorry. So we have the best of the best of the best of the best from LLumar. You won't find this, not that you won't find this anywhere, but you probably won't find this. Yeah, there's only a select of shops that actually have this film. So I am loading up the film onto the plotter, lining up the rolls where everything goes. You already know the deal. Okay, I'm gonna lock it, boom, press down. And this is gonna measure it for me. And let me say, their cuts are pretty precise. The cuts are really good. Core is an amazing software. For me, I'm gonna practice first, so I'm using not the Stratos film. So it's called the Classic line. It's not Stratos, the least of the least, but that's because I am practicing and I wanna make sure I get this right. So first we're gonna use this film before we use the Stratos film, because that's the big deal. My dad just coached me and was by my side on the other half of it that we just stringed. Now I'm gonna do the other half myself and see if I can do it myself without my dad's help. So let's go. So I just got done with my practice one. Now it's time for the real deal. Let's go. Flip it on the board and then I'm gonna roll it up so it's easier to just roll it out. You get me? Okay. So I'm gonna shrink it again, but this is the real deal, so it's different, you know. Okay. Where I have the hard card is like in a more comfortable position. Okay. I think it came out pretty good for my first back glass. Very good, yeah. He's right. So yeah, first back glass in almost a year. I think I did pretty good for my first time. Alright guys, I'm done with the car. Checked all of my work, cleaned all the windows, and now it's time to take it outside. Okay guys, we're done with the window tint. We did 70% on the windshield and 30% on the two windows and the back glass, Stratos. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in our window tinting services, you know where to reach us via Instagram, Facebook, or at our website, www.handheld.com.